Dear friends, let's go on a whimsical journey through time, right into the heart of our kitchens. Today, we're going to uncover the curious origins of the kitchen utensil set, those trusty tools we wield like culinary wizards. Picture this, it's thousands of years ago, and our ancestors are huddled around a fire using sticks and stones to prepare their meals. Life was simple but messy. Then, in a moment of sheer brilliance or sheer frustration, someone, perhaps a clever cave woman named Groga, decided enough was enough. She picked up a smooth, flat stone and used it to flip her mammoth steak. Thus, the very first spatula was born, and culinary history was made. Fast forward to ancient Egypt, where the art of cooking became more sophisticated. The Egyptians, known for their grand pyramids and mummification, also had a knack for kitchen innovation. They crafted utensils from wood and bone, creating rudimentary spoons and knives. Imagine Cleopatra enjoying her favorite delicacies with utensils carved from the finest ivory. Talk about dining in style. Now let's sail across the Mediterranean to ancient Rome. The Romans were masters of fine dining and decadence. They introduced metal into the mix, forging utensils from bronze and silver. It was in Rome that we see the first semblance of a kitchen utensil set, complete with knives, spoons, and a precursor to the fork. Yes, the fork, which was initially met with skepticism and even disdain. Who needs an extra prong when fingers work just fine, right? But the fork persevered and found its way to medieval Europe, where it became a symbol of refinement. The noble class embraced it, and by the 16th century, the fork was a staple at European tables. The knife, on the other hand, evolved from a multi-purpose tool to a specialized instrument, with blades designed for slicing, dicing, and carving. As we move into the 19th century, the Industrial Revolution brought about mass production. Suddenly, kitchen utensils were no longer handcrafted luxuries, but affordable necessities for every household. Factories churned out knives, spoons, and forks in uniform sets, making it easier for families to prepare and enjoy their meals. Now, let's not forget the humble spoon. From wooden ladles used to stir ancient stews to the silver teaspoons of Victorian England, spoons have been an integral part of our culinary toolkit. In fact, the spoon's versatility is unmatched. It can measure, mix, scoop, and serve. It's the Swiss Army knife of the kitchen. Today, our kitchen utensil sets are a far cry from those early days. They're made from stainless steel, silicone, and plastic, designed for efficiency and ease of use. We have specialized tools for every task: peelers, graters, whisks, and tongs, to name a few. Our kitchens are equipped like never before, allowing us to channel our inner chefs and create culinary masterpieces. So, next time you reach for your spatula or your ladle, take a moment to appreciate the rich history behind these everyday tools. They've evolved from simple stones and sticks into the sleek, efficient utensils we know today. Each one a testament to human ingenuity and our everlasting quest for the perfect meal. Thank you, and bon appétit. Your support is greatly appreciated. Please subscribe for a continuous supply of knowledge. Thank you.